Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at three potential altcoins to buy for Christmas. So right now, in the past 24 hours, the market is looking nice. We're up about 4.44%. The market is booming higher and higher. The top gainer here in the past 24 hours is going to be the Sandbox, which is up about 21.7%, trading at $6.23, making a comeback as the whole metaverse crypto section is actually booming right now, which is a positive thing. They're all having upward momentum here. Friday, going into Friday, we have our highest volume with Bitcoin at $51,100 right now per coin, 28.5 billion in volume. Ethereum is trading at right around 4,100, 17 billion in volume as well. They're both up about 5%, and then Ethereum about 3%, almost 3.5%. Binance Coin's up almost 3%. Solana up over 4%. Cardano making a little bit of a move here of 7%. We have Luna, the big dog. We talk about Luna a lot in these videos. That one's up over 12%. Avalanche actually in the red, down about 1%, same as with Polygon. But we do have some huge winners here like Shiba Inu making a nice move, Cryptocom as well, and many other green coins here up 5%, 10%, even 15% here on Decentraland. So things are definitely starting to move, which is definitely a positive sign. If we actually take a quick look at the crypto bubbles right now, and there's a lot of green, guys. I'm hardly seeing any red actually on this list. I'm only seeing a handful of red ones. So you guys leave a comment below which red ones do you see on this list. But personally, I'm only seeing a few of them. But we have some huge winners obviously here. We have Aragon, which is up 66%. We have Dent up 60% or so. Near Protocol up here over 48%. Luna obviously up about 50.9%. Aave's up about 39.4%, and many other winners that we're seeing here on this list. But things are definitely starting to move here, and it's getting greener and greener, which is definitely a positive sign. Seeing a lot less red compared to where we were about a week or two ago when there was a lot of red bubbles here and not so many green bubbles. This is definitely a quick flip turnaround type situation happening right here. So guys, before we get into this content, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 50 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, guys, leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrencies are you buying right now and potentially holding. So let's get into it, guys. So the first altcoin on this list is going to be Decentraland because of these the little momentum play we're seeing right now in the metaverse coin. So obviously this is a great coin in my opinion for the long term, and a lot of these metaverse coins are moving right now, and it could be time to load up on this dip that we saw in the recent weeks. We saw Axie Infinity, obviously Sandbox, they're all making a little bit of a move right here, which is a positive sign. So the Decentraland in the past 24 hours up almost 15% from lows of about $3.20 to highs now of over almost $3.86. In the past week we're up 20% almost. In the past month we're down 6%, with those lows around that $2.80 level. That was the lowest we got, with highs obviously here in November at close to $6 or so around Thanksgiving. So on the 1 year chart, the Decentraland is up 165%, which is actually not as crazy as you would think, especially with the whole metaverse hype that we're seeing going on. That's not a huge gain. That's pretty much the same amount that we're getting returned on Bitcoin. And Bitcoin hasn't returned, extreme crazy returns this year as well. So this was trading at $1.40 in April, continued to go down here to about 37 cents. Now, if you bought at 37 cents, you made 1,000% gain, about a 10x opportunity from the low to the high, that we're trading at right now, and even close to about 1,700 to 1,800% if you would have sold here at the top. But most of the gains on this coin happened here at the end of October, going into the big boom that we saw. Current market cap 6.9 billion right there. Volume is up 118% higher than usual at 1.5 billion. We have circulating or typical hold time 24 days right now, so people are starting to hodl those coins, guys. It is ranked the number 22 coin on this list. We have trading activity at 61% buy activity, 39% sell activity. The Decentraland is an Ethereum token that powers the Decentraland virtual reality platform. Mana can be used to pay for virtual plots of land in Decentraland as well as in in-world goods and services. So these, plots of land are getting bought left and right, guys. They're going for a lot of money right now. You're not going to find any cheap land on there. There's people doing crazy things. I saw in the metaverse recently, there was a guy that bought, I believe it was a car repair shop, and he was making like six figures pretty much in 2021 just by having this car repair shop on the metaverse. I believe he even bought banks on the metaverse, and this bank was making him money as well, passive income pretty much. So it's just insane to think what is he going to be making when the metaverse actually takes off in the in the years to come, and there's going to be a lot more people in on these type of situations. So the metaverse is just growing right now, and it's insane. If you got in early, you're doing great, and even if you're getting in right now, it could be a great opportunity for the future and what's to come. But Decentraland here, I definitely see over a 10x opportunity for this coin to continue to grow in the years to come. So definitely a long-term investment in my opinion, and something that I'm looking forward to. And full disclaimer, I do actually own some Decentraland in my portfolio that I bought actually at around $4 or so, I believe, not too long ago, and I will be holding this coin for a very, very long time, in my opinion. As long as it continues to grow and nothing changes fundamentally for me. So that's our first altcoin. Second altcoin is going to be Chainlink, also known as Link. This one, in the past 24 hours, up 7%, trading at $22 or so. In the past week, this one's up 18%. Past month, we're down 17%. Trading in this channel that pretty much everything's been doing the same thing. In the past year, Chainlink is up 91% from lows down here of $10, hitting highs here of over $50. That's about a 400% gain. Then we saw the market pull back down to $13, and then stabilize here around 34. So over 150% gains here from the low to the high that we saw. And then obviously a pullback bouncing off the previous support level, and now hopefully coming back up to the highs, possibly high 20s, maybe even low 30s in the future. Current market cap is going to be 10.4 billion. We see our volume at 1.1 billion, 41% of crypto markets, or actually 41% higher than usual. Typical trade time or hold time is going to be 67 days. We have trading activity at 59% buy and 41% sell activity, and it is currently ranked the 16th coin on this list. Now, Chainlink is an Ethereum token that powers the Chainlink decentralized Oracle network. This network allows the smart contracts on Ethereum to securely connect to external data sources, APIs, and payment systems. Something to keep in mind is obviously in order to become a node and start providing data to this Chainlink oracles, holders must stake Link tokens into a smart contract to act as an incentive against misbehaving or submitting false data to the network. So this coin right here, just to get back to those all-time high areas, it would bring us to about a 20 to 25 billion market cap, and we have over 100% upside for that to happen as well. So that's going to be our second altcoin. And then last but not least, the third altcoin on this Christmas shopping list is going to be Crypto.com, also known as Crow. So this one's been cooling off for a while, and now we're seeing a momentum, play again. So went down to lows of about 53 cents here. Now it's up 13% or so in the past week, with lows of right under 50 cents, making nice little areas right there. 61 cents per coin right now. Obviously, we hit highs here of about $1. Actually, I believe it was 99 cents here right around Thanksgiving, and then pulled back down close to about 40% or so from the high to the low, and now we're bouncing back. So this one's up over 952% in the past year, from about 5 cents here, or a dime, and it went highs to about 20 to 25 cents a quarter, pulled back down to about 10 cents again, and then shot on higher to about $1 with a slight pullback now and making its next move. 15.4 billion market cap, 122% higher volume than usual at 453 million. Typical hold time is going to be 24 days. It is ranked the number 12 coin on the ranking list. We have 72% buy activity and 28% sell activity. Obviously, for those of you who aren't familiar, Crypto.com chain is an Ethereum token that powers Crypto.com Pay, a service that allows, aims to allow users to pay for goods and services with cryptocurrency while receiving cashback rewards. And we all love our cashback rewards because it's like you're getting rewarded for spending your money, and what else do we want other than that? So Crypto.com here, just to get back to the all-time highs areas, we will be trading at close to about a $20 billion market cap or even higher, and I see this coin continue to go higher and higher. But most of the momentum we saw here once again was end of October into November here. Huge gain of about, let's just say, 400 to 500%, which was just insane in a matter of about 2 or 3 weeks. So right now we had that slight pullback, and we're waiting for that next leg up. Then, obviously, guys, let's take a quick look at the rest of the crypto market. Dogecoin up 4%, trading at 18 cents now. Very nice to see Dogecoin making a movement here as well. Finally making a little bit of a green movement from lows of down here about 14 cents or so. I think it actually hit lows of 13 cents. So back up to 18 cents, making a little bit of an upward momentum. 24 billion market cap. Obviously, Shiba Inu is up in the green as well. Currently, Shiba is up about 11% or so, making a nice move back into the 4 area right there as well. And then, guys, Bitcoin's up 5% here in the past 24 hours from lows of about 48,000. Now we're trading at 51,000, making a little bit of an upward momentum. In the past week, we're 7% up. In the past month, we're down 11%, but we're trying to break out of that channel. If we can break through that 50,000 or 52,000 area, we could continue to go on higher, and that's what we're hoping for here over the Christmas weekend. In the past year, we're up 118% which is obviously not that much compared to some of these other altcoins that are booming, thousands of percent. So 965.9 billion market cap. 32% of the crypto market space right now is taken up by Bitcoin. We have 68% buy activity and 32% sell activity on Bitcoin with 76-day typical hold time. Now, Ethereum making a 3% move from about 3,900 to about 4,100 right now. In the past week, we're up 3.5%. Past month, we're down 5%. Trying to break out of that channel. Same thing as Bitcoin, up 578% here on the 1 year chart, though. Definitely outperforming compared to some of these other coins. Now, we're only about $700 away from that all-time high area, so about a 16% upward momentum movement that we have until we get to that gap. 487.1 billion market cap. 16% of the crypto market space is taken up by Ethereum. We have 69 typical hold time days, 69% buy activity, and 31% sell activity on this one. Ethereum closing that gap, guys, and getting closer and closer. Very nice activity going on with that. What do you guys think is going to happen over the weekend, obviously, here going into Christmas and obviously the holidays in general? Do you think that cryptocurrency is going to continue to boom and follow the same pattern that the stock market was having? We did have that little Santa Claus rally going on the past three days or so in the stock market, and the crypto market now is booming as well. So definitely interesting to see what's going to happen. As always, guys, if you enjoy this type of content, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 50 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, guys, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Before investing, speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence. I hope you guys enjoyed. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, and I hope you guys enjoyed this weekend. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.